But we've been gnawed and gnawed and gnawed and gnawed and gnawed on until you feel like you can't go nowhere. You feel like you can't do anything. You feel like you don't know how you're going to make it. But then I heard the Lord say, but there's a restoration coming. He said, you need to tell my people I'm about to compensate them. You need to tell the house of the Lord that I'm about to compensate the house of the Lord. So don't be shocked when God compensates, and it's not just what you lost for 5 years, but it is more than what you would have made if you had been in full business and the whole crowd had been here. God said, I'm going to bring it to you such a way that it's going to blow your mind. It's going to blow your neighbor's mind. It's going to blow everybody's mind. And everybody's going to have to throw both hands up and say, look what the Lord has done.